mga bata, home learning partners, and teachers. Welcome to Project DREAM, Division, Remediation, and Enhancement of Aptitude in Mathematics e-Learning. I'm Juanito O. Ortega Jr., a teacher from Andres Bonifacio Integrated School, and I will be your teacher for Quarter 2, Week 1, Grade 6 Mathematics. Are you ready to learn? Tara! Samahan ninyo ako!
The objective for today's lesson is expressing one value as a fraction of another given the ratio and vice versa. For lesson 1, let us read and understand the problem. The government officials in the city of Mandaluyong distributes bottles of alcohol for every school. Andres Bonifacio Integrated School receives 12 bottles. Amado T. Reyes Elementary School receives 9 bottles. Doña Pilar C. Gonzaga Elementary School receives 7 bottles. What fraction of alcohol did Doña Pilar C. Gonzaga Elementary School receive? Look at the following figures. Andres Bonifacio Integrated School received 12 bottles of alcohol. Amado T. Reyes Elementary School received 9 bottles of alcohol. And Doña Pilar C. Gonzaga Elementary School received 7 bottles of alcohol. How many alcohols are there? So, 12 plus 9 plus 7 is equal to 28. How many alcohols did Doña Pilar receive? Doña Pilar C. Gonzaga Elementary School received 7 bottles of alcohol. What fraction of the alcohols did Doña Pilar C. Gonzaga Elementary School receive? Doña Pilar C. Gonzaga Elementary School received 7 out of 28 alcohols in fraction, that is 7 over 28. Can we express 7 over 28 in those terms? 7 over 28 is a factor of 7, 1 times 7. Over factor of 28 is 4 times 7. 7 over 7 cancel, so 1 over 4. Doña Pilar C. Gonzaga Elementary School received 1/4 of the alcohols. Let us solve example number 1. What fraction of 30 centimeters is 6 centimeters? What do we want to express? We want to express 6 centimeters as a fraction of 30 centimeters. For our solution, 6 centimeters over 30 centimeters is equal to 6 over 30. Get the prime factors of 6, 2 times 3, all over the prime factors of 30, 2 times 3 times 5. 2 and 2 cancel, 3 and 3 cancel, so the answer is 1/5. Therefore, 6 centimeters is 1/5 of 30 centimeters. To check, 1/5 of 30 is equal to n. 1/5 times 30 over 1 is equal to 30 divided by 5 is 6. Let's have another example. What fraction of 30 minutes is 4 hours? Remember, the units indicated are minutes and hours. Before we can express one number as a fraction of another, the quantities must be in the same units. So, we must change 2 hours to minutes. We all know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 2 hours is equal to 120 minutes. 3 hours is equal to 180 minutes. 4 hours is equal to 240 minutes. We can use division to express fractions in simplest form. 30 minutes over 4 hours is equal to 30 minutes over 240 minutes. 240 minutes is equivalent to 4 hours is equal to 30 over 240. The GCF of 30 and 240 is 30. 30 divided by 30 is 1. 240 divided by 30 is 8. So the answer is 1/8. Therefore, 30 minutes is 1/8 of 4 hours. Let us solve example number 3. Kim solved 3/4 of the 20 problems correctly. What is the ratio of the number of correct answers to the number of wrong answers? How many problems are there in the test? There are 20 problems in the test. How many items were solved correctly? 3/4 of the 20 problems were solved correctly. For solution number 1, 3/4 of 20 is equal to 3 times 20 all over 4 is equal to 3 times 20 is 60 over 4. 60 divided by 4 is equal to 15. For solution number 2, 3/4 times 20 over 1. Use cancellation method. The GCF of 20 and 4 is 4. 20 divided by 4 is 5. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 3 times 5 is 15. 1 times 1 is 1. 15 over 1 is 15. There are 15 correct answers. If there are 15 correct answers, how many are wrong answers? 20 minus 15 is equal to 5. There are 5 wrong answers. What is the ratio of correct answers to wrong answers? The ratio of correct answers to wrong answers is 15:5. Express 15:5 in lowest term. Divide both terms by 5. 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. And 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. So, the ratio of correct answers to the number of wrong answers is 3:1. We can write the ratio in 3 ways. Column form, 3:1. Fraction form, 3 over 1. As word, 3:1. Let's have some exercises. Exercise number 1. Express the ratio in simplest form. 45 minutes, 3 hours. We all know that 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. So, 60 times 3 is equal to 180 minutes. We can use division to express fraction in simplest form. 45 minutes over 3 hours is equal to 45 minutes over 180 minutes. 180 minutes is equivalent to 3 hours. Divide both numerator and denominator by 45. 45 divided by 45 is 1. 180 divided by 45 is 4. So the answer is 1/4. Therefore, 45 minutes is 1/4 of 3 hours. Let us solve exercise number 2. Express in simplest form the ratio of 36 COVID patients to 9 nurses. You can write in column form or fraction form. How do you write the ratio of 36 COVID patients to 9 nurses in column form? Very good. 36 is to 9. What about in fraction form? Very good. 36 over 9. To get the ratio in simplest form, divide both terms by 9. 36 divided by 9 is 4. And 9 divided by 9 is 1. How do you write the ratio of COVID patients to nurses in column form or in fraction form? Very good. The ratio of COVID patients to nurses is 4:1. Or in fraction form, 4 over 1. Therefore, 4 COVID patients for every nurse. Express as a fraction. Exercise number 2. 5 out of 45 commuters are students from a dress fashion. multiplicity. Give the ratio of students to commuters. Write the ratio in fraction form. 5/45 is equal to 5 all over the prime factors of 45 is 3 times 3 times 5. 5 and 5 cancel, equal to 1. 3 times 3 is 9. So the answer is 9. Or divide both the numerator and denominator by 5. 5/45 divided by 5. Divide by 5 is 1. 45 divided by 5 is 9. So the answer is 9. Therefore, one student from Abby is out of 9 meters. Exercise number 4. Express 8:40 as fraction in simplest form. Write 8:40 in fraction form. How do you write 8:40 in fraction form? Very good. 8/40. To get the simplest form, divide both numerator and denominator by the GCF of 8 and 40. The GCF of 8 and 40 is 8. So, 8 divided by 8 is equal to 1. 40 divided by 8 is equal to 5. So the answer is 1/5. For exercise number 5, write the ratio 12 apples is to 20 children as column form in fraction form in simplest form. How to write 12 apples is to 20 children in column form? Very good. 12 is to 20. What about in fraction form? Very good. 12/20. To get the simplest form, divide the term by the GCF of 12 and 20. The GCF of 12 and 20 is 4. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 20 divided by 4 is 5. Therefore, 3 apples is to 5 children, or 3 is to 5. Divide both numerator and denominator by 4. 12/20 divide by 4/4 is equal to 12 divided by 4 is 3. 20 divided by 4 is 5. So the answer is 3/5. Always remember that a ratio is a comparison of two or more numbers or quantities that can be written in column form, fraction form, or word. A rate is a comparison of two quantities that have different units.
Maraming salamat sa pakikinig mga bata. If you have questions, feel free to send a message to our official page, Math Team, Mathematics Teachers Association of Mandaluyong, or send a message to your math teachers. This is Mr. Mortega saying math sayang mag-aral, tayo nang matuto. Paalam mga bata!